Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you out if you have a Miele brand washing machine and you're getting an F102 error. So what is this error and what can you do to fix it? So unfortunately this is not one of the easier things to fix because it's an internal communication error that the machine has with the Smart House bus. And for somebody who's not a technician who knows about these to get in there and work on that is going to be complicated. But one thing that I will advise you to do before you call a technician and pay the money and waste the time and everything like that getting them out to your house is that these modern machines, just like computers, sometimes they just act funny and they throw up these errors and you don't know why. And the best thing you can do is just do a restart on the machine and it will clear out the error. So to do a hard restart on a machine, you want to turn it off, but then you want to cut power to it completely. So either unplug it from the wall, or if it's hardwired, you can turn it off at the circuit. And then once you've done that, wait a full minute, and then when that minute's up, then you can turn it back, plug it back in, turn it back on, and see if that doesn't clear the error out. If it doesn't, again, you're probably going to have to call a technician, but it very well may clear the error out. So anyways, I hope this helped at least figure out what's going on, and thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.